Okay, in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the new Ordro digital video camera. Here it is. Awesome. Okay, so first I noticed I get my camera, got a few boxes here to open up. And of course, I'm assuming the batteries. Okay, we'll start with this here, see what we got. Looks like our cords, our harness. Start opening everything up here. Okay. So here's our stand for the camera. This is a handle that will go on the camera so you can hold your camera. It's got an adjustable swivel piece on it. Everything is adjustable. So we'll go ahead and set that right up there. Put the camera over here. Alright, next we got what looks like the HDMI port. Yep. Sure is. Alright. This is so you can hook it to your computer. And this is your battery charger. Okay. This plugs right into the wall. You'll slip your battery right into here. Okay, we'll put that there. Here's a USB charger. I'm assuming this is to charge the camcorder itself. Okay. We got an audio port. I'm going to leave that in the pack. And what appears to be the lens cap for the camera. Here's a USB stick, all-in-one drive. That way you can upload your videos directly to your computer. It has many slots. There's 4 available on there, different size HDMI ports. It also comes with a controller, which I'm absolutely happy about. I can't wait. That's pretty nice. Let's arrange everything out here. Okay. And then, of course, 2 batteries, which we're definitely going to need one. So let's go ahead and open one up. Alright, pretty simple. Battery, extra battery. Make sure you charge your batteries. Keep them charged. You definitely want your extra battery charged up too. Alright, let's see what we got in here. Oh, this is my lens. Which will get installed on my camera, which I'll show how that's done here in a minute. I'm assuming that's for different settings there. I'll have to look and see. Let's open up our next box. This is going to be our microphone. This will go on top of the camcorder here. And then our final box is our lens cover. Okay. So let's go ahead and get that out. Looks like there's a few pieces here for different type camera settings. All right, and now for the camera. It comes with a strap that you can put onto your case, so that way you have a strap involved. Ooh, that's pretty. That's beautiful. Okay, to install the microphone, just slip it on like that. Just like so. Oh, okay, I know how to do that. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take this guy out of the pack, the audio. We're going to plug it in here, just like so. Then it's going to go into the back of the camera right here where this little slip's at. You're going to plug it in just like so. Now you are able to run off of the battery power. I'm pretty sure it has a battery in it because there's a charger port that just came with this. So I'm pretty sure you can actually, yeah, you can charge this battery form. You'll plug this in here, you'll charge it. So there's a battery in here, that way you don't have to run off of here. Okay, next is in the back is where the battery is going to go. So let's go ahead and put that in. See how it slides in there. Three prongs are that way. So it looks like the Ordro goes upward. You have to move this little clip over. It's right here. That little clip is what holds the battery in place. Otherwise you won't be able to get it in there. Okay. Your SD slot to put your SD in is right here. I don't have one in yet, but I will get one in there. Okay. Now I'm going to show how to install this lens. It's pretty basic. You thread it right on, just like so. And then your camera lens is now attached. Okay. Also, your hood, let's see. Your hood will thread in to the outside of the camera here. As soon as I get the thread caught. Very fine thread, so be very careful that you don't strip that out. There we go. All right, so there it is. Now I'm going to install the handle. Now you can either mount this on a tripod, or you can do like I'm doing now, and that's just having the handle itself Oops. I actually put it on there without pulling the handle up. There we go. Okay, so you'll want to screw this in just like so, right into the bottom. And like I said, you could still even mount this on a tripod because it still has the inside hole here. So you're still able to do that. This can swing any which way you need it to, or you even have mounting brackets that are up in here. Okay? So this is so you can basically hold it like this and film the whole time. All right. Well, I think that's it for my video here on YouTube. If you liked the video on the intro, I'm going to do another one where I actually use the camera and film with it. But if you like my video, go ahead and share. Give me a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it.